back to recess. Okay. Yay, it's recess time. I'm gonna, wait, where's the other class? Oh, they must be coming in late. Oh well. That is so wonderful. I love, this is my favorite toy. Oh my gosh! Yay, I turned it on. Where's all my friends? Oh, hi, my friend. Okay, well, I think this is pretty cool. I like this. Now, it's coming on again. Whoa. Oh, look, my other, friend. Yeah. This is not my friend. She's a pygmy. That's so annoying. Yay, I get to play. This is so fun. Oh, yeah. Yes, music. Oh, yeah, actually, I don't like this. No. Let's get, mighty po, dun, dun, dun. Whoa, woo, oh, dun, dun, let's dance to some music. Kids, it's time for lunch. Oh, okay, it's time for lunch. Okay, well, and we're going out to McDonald's today. And we're going to a different restaurant today, and it's going to be really awesome. Oh my gosh, yay, I'm at a McDonald's with all my friends. Yay. Okay, class, so you're going to just go ahead and take a seat, and the waiters are going to take your orders. Oh, I don't even know where to sit. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to sit right here. Where's the waiter? I don't see the waiter. Where's the waiter? Where's the waiter? Oh, look, there's the pick-me. Oh, there's a waiter. Oh, actually, I accidentally touched the ground. Oopsies. Oh, look, my best friend is here. Like, where is the waiter? I'm gonna ask if I have some fries. F-R-Y. Oh my god. Actually, I'm gonna have like a big back, because I'm a big back. So a Big Mac. I'm gonna have a Big Mac. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ask the waiter if I can have a Big Mac, because I want some Big Mac. I asked if I can have a Big Mac. Have some Big Mac. I want some Big Mac. Okay, well, okay, well, she's having a bad day. So I'm gonna ask her, like, can I have a Big Mac? I want a Big Mac. He wants a Big Mac too. I'm typing it and telling her. 1 second. Oh, yay, we got our Big Macs. Yay, we finally got our Big Macs. I'm eating my Big Mac. Oh, I accidentally burped. Oh, okay, now I gotta go use the restroom. Excuse me. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Oh, toilet paper. Okay, now let's wash. Okay. Now. Okay, teacher, like, Oh, wait, where's the teacher? Oh, teacher, I'm ready to go. Okay, let's go. Yay, we finally... Okay, let's sit down and watch some news. Oh, we better get in the shelter. Everybody, come on, come on. Okay, everybody, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Put the sink in front of this thingy. Oh, get it on, get it on. Oh, get back, get back, get back. Yeah, hide over here, hide. Put it there, put it there, put it there. Okay, y'all are allowed to come out now. But breaking news, there's a funeral of the person behind the news late. The newsman and the news girl. Oh no! Oh no, we better go back. Oh, I'm so sad to be at this girl's funeral. Well, her favorite, at least she had a good life. I feel so bad. Well, I guess they're gonna start calling names. Yeah, they already started calling names. Okay. Well, I just feel so bad. Oh yeah. She's taking a gift up for her. And I have one over here. That is so nice. Okay, let's see when they call my name. Okay, it's time. The moment of sadness. I'm so sorry. That is just so sad. And the last person. Oh, our favorite dear person. The lady that helped us in everything that we... Credits to C. Mackey for doing this video with me. Please subscribe to him. Credits to C. Mackey. I will repeat. Credits.
I guess I'm just a play date to you.